Hi guys, in this video we are told to find the point on the curve y equal to x power 3 plus 6x squared minus 15 plus 1 at which the gradient is equal to 0. So the first thing we are going to note that y is given as x to the third power plus 6x squared minus 15x plus 1. So when you know that gradient is the rate of change, is just the rate of change in y over the rate of change in x-axis. So this implies that it is the y dx of the function. And the rate of change, the y dx, means that we are going to differentiate the function y. And to differentiate this function, we have to multiply the power 3 to the variable and minus 1 from the variable. So we are having it as 3x3 minus 1 plus, do the same here, 6 times 2, x to the power of 2 minus 1. Then differentiating this minus 15. When you minus, you're having 0. Differentiating a constant is 0. So we are having it to be 3x squared plus 12x minus 15. Then when the gradient is 0, that means the dy dx that we found should also be 0. So we have to equate this since the dy dx is 0, equal to 0. The next thing we are going to do is just to divide each term of this function by the constant of x squared, which is 3. I will divide through by 3, divide each term by 3, divide each term by 3, divide each term by 3. When I divide, I have that x squared plus 4x minus 5 is equal to a 0. This is now clearly a quadratic equation. For us to get the x, we have to factorize the quadratic. So we open two brackets and insert the variable x and x. So what are the two numbers that once you multiply, we get a negative 5. If you add them, we get a positive 4. The numbers are 5 and minus 1. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5, and 5 plus minus 1 is plus 4. We put it as plus 5 and minus 1, all of them being 0. So if two brackets multiplies to be 0, that means one of them is 0 or both of them are zeros. That means x plus 5 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then making x subject of the formula, x is equals to minus 5 when 5 crosses, or x is equals to 1. We have found the 2 points on the curve for x at x-axis. Let's find for y-axis. To get it, we'll plug for each term, we'll plug it to the already existing function. Y is equal to x cubed plus 6x squared minus 15 plus 1. So we have it that y is equals to, wherever you see x, you put minus 5. We have it as minus 5 to the power of 3 plus 6 into minus 5 squared, then minus 15 into minus 5, then plus 1. Minus 5 to the third power is minus 125 plus, you have it as 6 times 25, because minus 5 squared is 25, then minus 15 times minus 5 will give you plus, minus minus, then 15 times this will give you 75, then plus 1. You see that y is equal to minus 125 plus 150 plus 75 plus 1. The y is equal to 101. So in the point, we have minus 5 and 101. So these are the first points at which the gradient is 0. So for the second point, where we have our x to be equals to 1. So we are going to plug 1 in all this function. You see that y is equal to 1 to the third power plus 6 into 1 squared minus 15 times 1 plus 1. So 1 squared is that we have 1. 1 cubed is 1. Then plus 6, because 1 squared is 1 times 1 is 6, minus 15 plus 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 minus 15 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. You say that y is equals to minus 7. So those points are those. And the second point is when x is 1, y is minus 7. So these are the 2 points where the gradient is what? 0. Please like, comment, and share for more. Bye.